Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn admission of a partner. Now, in this chapter, what is our learning objective? The learning objective is first calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Second, accounting treatment of goodwill when a new partner is admitted. Third, accounting treatment for revaluation of assets and liabilities. Fourth, accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits. Fifth, adjustment of capitals. Now, for what purpose a new partner is admitted? Now, there are some purposes. First, when there is a need of capital, a new partner can be admitted for the expansion of business, and the new partner brings the capital. Second, a competent and experienced person can be admitted in a partnership to gain the skill of new partner. Third, a competent employee may be admitted to a partnership, and so that all employee can be motivated and give their best. Now, according to section 31/1 of the Indian Partnership Act, a new partner can be admitted only with the consent of all the existing partners, and this is known as the reconstitution of partnership firm. In this, a new agreement is prepared and old agreement comes to an end. When new agreement is prepared, now following adjustment can be done. Following adjustment are needed at the time of the admission of a new partner. First, what we have to do when a new partnership agreement come into existence: calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Second, accounting treatment of goodwill. Third, accounting treatment for revaluation of assets and liabilities. Fourth, accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits. Fifth, adjustment of capitals on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. Now, we shall discuss the first adjustment, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. In this, what we have to do: calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Now, in this calculation, there are 5 cases. Case number 1, A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. C is admitted for the partnership for 1/4 share of the future profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In this type of problem, what you have to do? First of all, you have to calculate remaining share. Suppose the total share is 1, the remaining share will be calculated by deducting the new partner share from 1. Now 1 minus 1/4 is the new partner share. Then we will get LCM will be 4. After calculation you will get 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 remaining share will be divided between A and B in their old ratio. Then 3 by 4 is the remaining share and A and B old share is 5:3. That is A share is 5 by 8. That is 15 by 32. Similarly, B new share will be remaining share 3 by 4 into 3 by 8 is his share, old share. Then you will get 9 by 32. Now, new ratio between A is to B is to C. You will get new share is A 15 by 32, B is 9 by 32, and C is 1 by 4. Now you have to equal the denominator of the C share. Now you have to multiply denominator and numerator by 8. Then you will get 8 by 32. Then you will get the new profit sharing between A, B into C will be 15:9:8. In this way, you can calculate the new profit sharing between A, B and C when a new partner is admitted. This is the one case. The other case number 2, is P and Q are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. They admitted R as a partner for 1/7 share in the profits which he acquires equally from P and Q. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of the partners. In this type of problem, what you have to do? First of all, you have to calculate the P sacrifice. Then P sacrifice will be 1/7. 1/7 is the share of R share into 1/2. 1/2 because P and Q sacrificing in equal proportion. So 1/2. Then we will get 1/14. Similarly, Q sacrifice will be 1/7 into 1/2. You will get 1/14. Now you have to calculate new share. Now new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice. This is the formula for calculating new share. Now P new share, P's old share is 4/7 and sacrifice is 1/14. LCM will be 14, you will get 7/14. Q is new share, similarly Q old share is 3/7 minus 1/14 is the sacrifice. Then you will get 5/14. Now new ratio between P, Q and R will be P new share is 7/14, Q is 5/14 and R is 1/7. You have to equal the denominator of R. Then you will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Then you will get 7:5:2. This is the second case for calculation of new ratio in the admission of when a new partner is admitted into a partnership. Thank you.